South of Asahikawa are the towns of Biei and Furano, known for their rolling hills filled with fields of flowers. Best viewed in late June through early July, multicolored rows of flowers seem to stretch past the horizon. Patchwork Road and Panorama Road take you from Biei through the countryside to tourist hotspots and flower farms, the latter being the better of the two. Since the flowering season is relatively short, flower farms offer more than an endless supply of flowers. Well-stocked gift shops, tractor and ATV rides, restaurants, and animal farms are a few of the extras that you will find. Shikisai Farm actually has snowmobile tours during the winter. Lavender has been cultivated in Furano for more than 50 years. Time your visit for summer to coincide with the blooming of Furano's vast fields of lavender, when the surrounding area is carpeted in the delicately scented purple blooms for miles around. The lavender starts blooming in late June and reaches its peak from mid-July to August. Depending on the season, you can also see a range of other summer flowers, from lupins and lilies to poppies and sunflowers. Blue Pond is a man-made pond feature in Biei. It is the result of works on the Biei River, carried out after the 1988 eruption of Mount Takachi, to protect the town of Biei from volcanic mudflows. The color is thought to result from the accidental presence of colloidal aluminium hydroxide in the water. Damage caused by Typhoon Minjul in August 2016 resulted in a temporary drop in the water level and in the color briefly turning brown with mud and sand from the Biei River. The panoramic flower gardens of Shikisai Nooka provide spectacular views across 15 hectares of land. It is a paradise of seasonal blossoms from spring through fall, in which several dozen different species of flowers and grasses flourish. Enjoy the colorful flowers and spectacular views of the flower garden while riding around on the popular Noroko tractor bus and on carts and buggies. The Noroko is a very popular ride that takes a slow run through the park, which is filled with the rich fragrance of flowers and offers spectacular views of the hills, Mount Daisetsu, and the flower garden. It stops once during the ride so you can take photographs against the beautiful backdrop. The snow turns the flower garden into snowland during winter time. Snowland is designed so that even first-time visitors can enjoy the snow and nature while riding snow rafts, snowmobiles, and other such vehicles. Snowmobiles are exhilarating vehicles that are easily operated even by beginners to provide exciting runs through vast snow fields while enjoying the snow and nature. A patchwork of pastoral hills and gorgeous fields of lavender form the backdrop for the route of the Furano Biei Naroko train, a sightseeing train that offers visitors a chance to experience the vast natural beauty of central Hokkaido firsthand. The train's name, Naroko, is a portmanteau of the Japanese phrase Noro Hashiru, or to run slowly, and the word Taroko Resha. Every year, from June to September, the train operates 3 round trips per day between Asahikawa Station, or Biei Station, and Furano Station. The travel time from Biei to Furano is around 1 hour, while the trip between Asahikawa and Furano takes around 1 hour and 40 minutes. The train consists of a diesel locomotive, whose brightly colored exterior evokes the rolling hills and lavender fields of the surrounding countryside, and 3 retro-style coaches. Inside the coaches are wooden bench seats that seat 2 and box seats for 6, furnished with wooden tables. The bench seats are uniquely equipped with movable backrests that can be adjusted to face either the window or the aisle, allowing passengers to easily switch positions to ensure they don't miss any of the marvelous scenery. Both reserved and unreserved seats are available, but due to this train's popularity, it's best to make a reservation to ensure you get the seat you want. Without a doubt, the top place to witness Furano's sprawling fields of lavender is Farm Tomita, from where you can marvel at the lavender and flower fields framed against the spectacular backdrop of the Takagi mountain range. The farm's famous lavender ice cream is delicious. Several gift shops sell just about every lavender product you can imagine. In 2008, Farm Tomita also opened a second farm, Lavender East, about 4 kilometers east of the main farm. As Hokkaido's premier lavender destination, naturally the main farm becomes quite crowded during peak season, so head to the extension if you want to escape some of the lavender-seeking hordes at the main farm. Here, you can admire the largest lavender field in Furano at 14 hectares, where you can also get a tractor ride through the fields on the lavender bus. There are 5 different varieties of lavender grown on the farm. After the flowers are harvested between mid-July and August, the extracted oil is used in a variety of products, all produced on the farm. The subtly flavored lavender ice cream is a favorite among guests, who are often seen strolling along with a cone in hand. While best known for purple lavender, the farm also grows vibrant poppies, bright green ferns, and white birch trees to complete the colorful vista. Unlike other flower farms in the area, Farm Tomita is only open during lavender season. Next to the farm's main entrance, Japan Railway Hokkaido has a special station that is available only when the farm is open. During the summer, the railway operates a tourist train called the Furano Biei Naroko train between the two towns. The train takes you through the countryside at a leisurely pace with running commentary from a tour guide. Midway through the trip, the conductor will take your commemorative picture and provide you with a certificate of your Naroko journey.